So we're doing another unboxing. We're doing the Google Pixel Buds 2. So this is gonna be a quick unboxing. There's not much on these. Got the Google on the side. Google emblem again with the buds. As you can tell, these are true wireless. Got the case. And then we got her again. This should be an easy open. Oh, bam. So this is the case right here. Set that aside. See what else we get inside. Oh, okay. So we got some different size buds for the ear. Is there anything else in here? Oh, the wire. This is how you charge it. It's USB A to C. And let's look at the actual buds here. If I can figure out how to take this off. Maybe. Oh, found it. How do you take this off? And there you go. The Google Pixel Buds 2. Just like that. Alright. And that's the Google Pixel Buds. We'll be doing more unboxings in the future of other items, and just watch out for other YouTube videos I'll be doing. I'm doing the Smash Elite series right now, and I'll see you guys on the next video.